Things to do from tomorrow. Always check. 1. Your blood pressure. 2. Your blood sugar. 3. Your triglycerides. 4. Your cholesterol. Minimize. 1. Salt. 2. Sugar. 3. Bleached flour. 4. Dairy products. 5. Processed products. Food needed. 1. Vegetables. 2. Legumes. 3. Beans. 4. Nuts. 5. Eggs. 6. Cold-pressed oil. Olive, coconut. 7. Fruits. 3 things you should try to forget. 1. Your age. 2. Your past. 3. Your complaints. Essential things you need to cherish. 1. Your family. Your friends. 3. Your positive thoughts. 4. A clean and welcoming home. 3 basic things you need to adopt. 1. Always smile, laugh. Do regular physical activity at your own pace. 3. Check and control your weight. 6. Essential lifestyle you need to practice. 1. Do not wait until you are thirsty to drink water. 2. Do not wait until you are tired to rest. 3. Do not wait until you are sick to have medical examinations. 4. Do not wait for miracles to trust God. 5. Never lose confidence in yourself. 6. Stay positive and always hope for a better tomorrow. Public service message from Behter Ellaj.